Good morning, students. Welcome back to Motherwell School online classes. And last three chapters we completed. Today we will go for our fourth chapter. The name of the chapter is The Model Millionaire. First of all, I have a request that if you have book, you just sit with your book because this class is we are explaining the lesson, what it is, okay, what it means, what it actually means. Okay, so here the model millionaire. Okay, ये कहानी है, ठीक है, but the actually not happen in somewhere, but this is a story. Okay, so we will go for that chapter. Unless one is wealthy, there is no use in being charming fellow. It's better to have a permanent income than to be fascinating. Okay, unless is wealthy, there is no use being a charming fellow. Okay, जैसे charming fellow जैसे रहने में क्या है, कोई मतलब नहीं है. If you doesn't have money, okay, and it is better to have a permanent income than to be fascinating. जैसे चार्मिंग जैसे फैसिनेटिंग जैसे मतलब बलूनाइजिंग करके रहने में से अच्छा है कि आपको परमानेंट इनकम होना चाहिए. परमानेंट इनकम मतलब क्या है, मतलब जो डेली में आपको पास में जो इनकम पैसा आना चाहिए, ठीक है. सो देयर आर द ग्रेट ट्रूथ ऑफ मॉडर्न लाइफ व्हिच Haki Erskine never realized. Okay, the main character is Hughie Erskine. Okay, ये है अभी मॉडर्न लाइफ में, मॉडर्न इरा चल रहा है. अभी जो मॉडर्न लाइफ के अंदर जो रियलिटी है अभी तक ये बहुत महत्व वाला एक रियलिटी है. ओके, he didn't understood. Poor Hagi. Intellectually, we must admit he was not a much importance. He was much important. Okay, so poor. ये क्या है? ये हमारा मेन कैरेक्टर है. जैसे बोले poor, मतलब इसके बाद ये कहते हैं कि intellectually must admit he was not much important. Okay, so he never said a brilliant or even an ill-natured thing in his life. Okay, बहुत मतलब क्या है कि एक ब्रिलियंट नहीं है और इल-नेचर भी नहीं है, ठीक है, इसके बीच में. But then he was a wonderfully good-looking. His crisp brown hair, his haircut is perfect, his eyes gray eyes. Okay, so nothing is there. A poor man, nothing is there. But he looks very smart. Okay, a brown hair with the clips, his haircut perfect, but very good style में his आगे face और उनका personality maintain करते थे. He was as popular with men he was with women, and he had every talent except that of making money. Okay, इनके पास बहुत खूब talent है. एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, एक ही टैलेंट नहीं है, उनको पता नहीं कैसे पैसा कैसे कमाना है. समझ में आ गई? सो ही इज लुकिंग वेरी गुड, ही इज अट्रैक्टिंग द पीपल, बट ओनली one problem he does have, that he doesn't know how to make money, how to earn money. When his father died, he had left him to money at all. Hugh lived on 200 years than an old and gave him. He had tried his hand at various jobs and but did not like any of them. अगर वहाँ पे उनका पापा का वो पिताजी का मृत्यु हो गया है, वो मौत हो गया है, तब क्या हो गया था, वो घर छोड़ के बाहर गया है. फिर उनके पास कुछ नहीं है. 200 साल का एक बुढ़ी थे. ओके, ओके, उन्होंने उनको क्या दिया, एक मकान दिला दिया था, वहां पे रहते थे. ओके, इसके बाद उन्होंने अलग अलग जगह पे क्या काम करने के लिए हाथ लगा दिया है, ज्वाइन किया है, बट ही डजंट लाइक दैट थिंग्स. Ultimately, he became nothing, a delightful, unsuccessfully young man with a perfect profile and no profession. By looking, he is good, but by saying things or doing things, he is utterly fail. Okay, here the quotation: the man with a perfect profile and no profession. There is no job for him. To make matters worse, he was in love. Okay, ये उनका ये लाइफ है, ओके, एकदम खराब करने के लिए क्या किया, एक लव में फंस गए. The girl he loved was Laura Merton, the daughter of a retired colonel. Retired colonel का बेटी थे. Laura adored him and he was ready to kiss her shoe strings. Okay, so मतलब क्या होते हैं, लॉरा क्या करते थे, उनको वर्शिप करते थे, अडोर करते थे, ठीक है. एंड द फेलो वाज रेडी टू kiss the feet of the lady, okay, because he doesn't have anything and she has many things. That means the money. They were the handsomest couple in London. Oh, because he is very good in look. He is by looking, he is a wow person. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, wow, nice looking. ये जैसे बोलते हैं ना, इसे एक आदमी थे, इसे ये लड़की भी है, थी, वो भी सुंदर दिखते थे. ओके, सो प्रेटी हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, ब्यूटीफुल अभी बोलते नहीं, प्रेटी बोलते हैं, जैसे लड़की थे. मतलब एक कपल थे लंदन के अंदर और इंग्लैंड के अंदर सबसे सुंदर जोड़ी थे. एंड had not a penny piece between them. The colonel was very fond of Hughie, and he would not hear any of any engagement. Okay, colonel also is impressed of him. Okay, so they don't have any peace. They will have a quarrel, fighting, but he nothing. Colonel ready to do anything to them. Come to me, my boy, when you have got 10,000 pounds of your own, and we will see about it. He used to say, and Hughie looked very glum and those days and had to go to Laura for consolation. Come to me. तो कहीं ने बोला, मेरा बच्चा आप मेरे साथ आ जाओ. When you have got 10,000 pound in your 10,000 pound आपके पास में है कि, and we will see what about it. हम लोग इसके बारे में देखते हैं. He used to say, and Hughie looked very keep quiet, silent, एकदम sad and silent हो गया. Okay, and had to go to Laura for consolation. Consolation के लिए कहाँ जाने के लिए बोला कि Laura के पास. One morning, as he was on his way to Holland Park, where the Mertons lived, he dropped into a great friend of his, Alan Trevor. उन्होंने देखा लॉरा के घर पे जाने के रास्ता में उन्होंने उनको मिला है एलन ट्रेवर, his great friend, a best friend, a good friend. Trevor was a painter. Indeed, few people escape that nowadays. Okay, so क्या होते हैं? He was a great painter, but some of the people will be escaped from that. But he was also an artist, and artists are rather rare. जैसे कोई rare artist के अंदर आते हैं कौन? Trevor. Personally, he was a strange, rough fellow with a fungal face and rough breeze. क्या होते हैं? जैसे आर्टिस्ट के जैसे बड़ा, जैसे थाली दे और थोड़ा इतना स्वीट फेलो नहीं दे, थोड़ा रश फेलो दे, रफ फेलो दे. However, when he took up the brush, he was a real master, and his pictures were eagerly sought after. Okay? जब ये बंदा जैसे दिखते हैं कि रफ फेलो है, जब वो ये हाथ में ब्रश लेते हैं पेंटिंग करने के लिए, उनको राइटिंग्स और पेंटिंग्स वेर वेरी वेरी लाइव. ओके, इसे लगते हैं इसमें कोई चीज़ से जिंदा रहता है. He had been very much attracted by Hagin at first. It must be acknowledged entirely on account of his personal charm. Okay. When Alan looked the Hagi on the first time, he was very attracted because he doesn't see a person like this, a personality like this. So he was very much attracted to him. However, after he got to know Hagi better, he liked him quite as much for his bright, wild spirit and his generous, thankless nature. And he had given him a payment entry to his studio. परमानेंट एंट्री टू की स्टूडियो, मतलब उनको बारे में पता चल गया ये जैसे जैसे है कि फिर भी उनको ये पसंद करने लगे। इसके बाद परमानेंटली आप तरह कभी भी जैसे हम लोग दोस्त के घर पे जाते हैं जैसे आप उनको स्टूडियो में जाने के लिए ओके परमिशन दिया हुआ है। When Hagi came in, he found trouble putting the finishing touches of wonderful life-size picture of beggar man. ओके जो हागी तो एक ही दिन जैसे अलन के घर पे गया, वो स्टूडियो में गया है, वहाँ पे अलन what he was doing a painting of a beggar life size picture, life size जैसे beggar man जैसे लिखते हैं वैसे ये पिक्चर बना। The beggar himself was sitting on a raised platform of a corner of the studio. Okay, ये beggar कहाँ बैठे थे? वहाँ पे वो स्टूडियो के कॉर्नर में बैठते थे। He was a winced old man with a wrinkled face and wears most grotesque expression. There is no expression upon him, and his face was very dry. And he's an old man. Okay. Over his shoulders was flying across all fog, and tears and titties. His legs were weak and with one hand leaned on the loud stick while his other side held his ball of arms. Okay, he was looking very worst. No, we can't say worst. He was looking very sympathetic, the beggar man. What an amazing model, whispered Hagi as he shook hands with his friend. Oh, very good model you got. हाँ बहुत अच्छा है दिखने में और शेक-हैंड करने लगे। How miserable he looks, but I suppose you paint this, his face is his fortune. Certainly replied Trevor, you don't want beggar to look happy, do you? जैसे दिखते हैं सार दिखते हैं आपको ये beggar जैसे दिखने के लिए खुश दिखने के लिए आपको इच्छा है क्या? How much does model get for sitting? Asked Hagi as he found himself as comfortable seat. कितना देते हो और कितना मिलते हैं ये बैठने के लिए? A shilling an hour. कितना एक घंटे के लिए shilling देते हैं. And how much do you get for your picture, Alan? Oh, for this I get 2000. Okay, कितना आप देते हैं? एक शिलिंग और आप कितना मिलते हैं? 2000 pounds. Giannas, princes, poets and physicians always get Giannas. Okay. Well, I think the model should have percentage. इसको कोई थोड़ा percentage उनको देना चाहिए. Cried Hagi laughing. The work quite hard as you do. हाँ थोड़ा तो मुश्किल है कि आप जैसे करते हैं तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है. Nonsense. Why? Look at the trouble of lying on the paint alone and standing all the day long in the seas and all is well. Hagi, for you to talk, but I assure that there were moments when art most become manual labor and it must chatter and very busy, so keep quiet. मैं थोड़ा बिजी हूँ, आप क्या करना है? Quiet, चुप रहना है, ठीक है? So what happened? The Hagi was talking to the Alan Trevor. अरे यार, you should give something to him, more than shilling, okay? पैसा का टुकड़ा देने से आपको कितना मिलते हैं? 2000 जेनी मिलते हैं। तो आपको क्या देना चाहिए? इसमें थोड़ा परसेंटेज 1 और 2% आपको देना चाहिए, ठीक है? दैट इज योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। आपका जो मर्यादा है आपको देखना चाहिए। सो नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल कंटिन्यू विथ आवर क्लास, okay? So sit with and wait with an expectation. The many things will happen in the story, okay? Thank you, have a nice day. Oh, 15 मिनट हो गए।